And today we are here at Lodha's brand new project in Dombivli, which is called as The Crown. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the project overview, the location, the amenities. I'll also show you the sample flat, tell you about the booking process and a lot more. So let's first of all start with the project's overview. The project is going to be located in a total land parcel of 17 acres and they will have towers which will have ground plus 15 floors of beautiful 1 and 2 BHK apartments. Talking about the location, as I told you that this is located in Dombivli, but the best part is कि यहाँ से metro station is going to be 0 minutes of travel. That is right outside the project is going to be your metro station, and also Jupiter Hospital is also very close to the project. Talking about the amenities, there are going to be multiple luxurious world-class amenities like swimming area, gymnasium, kids play area, outdoor and indoor kids play area, senior citizens area and much more. Now it's time to take a look at the sample flat. I know you want to do that. Let's go and take a look. And this is the 487 square feet 2 BHK apartment. At the entry over here is the kitchen. Now the kitchen comes with these two opposite placed granite slabs and a pretty big window for perfect ventilation, and also a utensil sink at the end of one of the service tables over here. Let's come back right over here into your living and dining space. Now the living and the dining space has also been given this really big window over here for amazing lighting. Half of this window is fixed, half of it is a sliding window, because of which यहाँ से काफी सारी रोशनी और यहाँ से काफी अच्छा ventilation आपको हमेशा मिलता रहेगा. अब हम बढ़ते हैं towards the common area, that is the bathroom right over here. Now this toilet and bath is an hexagonal shape and it comes with these anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and a glass shower cubicle as well. Coming back to this common area right outside the bedroom, now this is the passage which can also be utilized for your clothes drying rack, and also they have given a provision for your washing machine. Let's take a look at the bedroom right behind me. Now this is the bedroom that is also again well ventilated and well lit thanks to the window that has been provided. Coming back from the living area, now we will take a look at the next bedroom, that is also the master bedroom. Now because this is the master bedroom, that's the reason it comes with an attached toilet and bath. Let's take a look at this one. Now the attached toilet and bath again comes with these anti-skid tiles, a tile drop for wet and dry area separation, a glass shower cubicle and the CP sanitary fittings as well. उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पर you will get this window which is again half fixed glass window and half of it is a sliding window to let in maximum ventilation inside the house. Now that you've seen this house, I'm sure you are wondering कि इसका booking process कैसे किया जाए, आगे कैसे बढ़ा जाए, यहाँ पर आया कैसे जाए. Stay with me, I'm just gonna tell that to you. And now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you're very interested in knowing कि booking कैसे करनी है. Well, booking कैसे करनी है उसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि Property Cloud क्या है. This is India's only PropTech service which connects you directly with the developer and also helps you do virtual site tours. Now, what are the advantages of Property Cloud? Well, it's very simple. First thing, that we are a PropTech service, so you don't have to do actual physical site visits and go and check out each and every property. हम आपको सारी के सारे property के details यहीं पर बताते हैं आपके मोबाइल फोन पर या आपके लैपटॉप पर. After that, when you need to do a physical site visit, after you've shortlisted a couple of properties, then we provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own relationship manager who will take you on the site visits and also tell you all the other details that you need to know. Now, along with this, we also connect you directly with the developer. Thereby, we do not charge you any brokerage. So we have a completely zero brokerage policy, and we also give you many payment options and also many booking offers and spot payment offers too. So you get the best of deals, the best of discounts, zero brokerage and free pickup and drop service and much more. और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है क्या, तो नहीं. Property Cloud is present across the globe in major cities of India like Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. And along with that, we have a global presence also. We are present in UAE, in Singapore, in USA, in Canada and many more countries. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, तो आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, वो है आपको करना है क्लिक नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर. Once you click on this link, we will get in touch with you and we will help you buy your dream home absolutely hassle-free. Stay tuned to us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud. This is me, Ekta Kapoor, signing off for today. Thank you.